How to unlink CapCut from Facebook. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate the simple process of disconnecting CapCut with Facebook. To begin, open your preferred web browser such as Google Chrome and navigate to the specific page and locate the Google search bar. Enter facebook.com in the search bar and proceed to access the official Facebook website. Here, you will have the flexibility to customize various settings, including welcoming members and saving changes. To unlink the CapCut code, click on the account icon located at the top corner of your profile. Explore the options available such as services, support, and more. If you specifically want to unlink CapCut from Facebook, access the settings and privacy option over here. Within this area, you can manage the settings, language preferences, and more. Navigate to the settings page, where you can review and adjust your Facebook settings. Scroll down the left-hand side of the screen to access the apps and website section. And by clicking on this option, you can view all the connected apps and websites within your Facebook account. If CapCut has been linked previously, the corresponding icon will be displayed. To remove the CapCut, simply click on the designated option of Remove and you will be done. I hope you found this video to be beneficial in assisting you with unlinking CapCut on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for additional tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.